Hello everyone, this is Chris Rosh.24K on Twitter. Today I'll be unboxing the Wyze Cam Pan and Tilt. This is new from them. Some more details here. 1080p. Can rotate. Some more information right here. This has free cloud recording as well as a free app. And you can also use one of their 32GB Class 10 U1 micro SD cards, so it has an SD card slot for continuous recording. Now we'll go inside the box. So here on the left side is the camera, and we'll show that in just a moment. And over here is the accessories box. So everything that you need to run this unit. The charger is 2 amp. It's a pretty small wall charger, we like that. And the micro USB cable, so nice and long and also flat. Then you also get this quick start guide right there, everything that's in the box, information where to plug it in, and so forth. And now the actual camera. They package it really well in this box. It's also in a secondary box, and it covers the lens. So we like that it has very good packaging, and it's padded on the inside for shipping. Okay, so here's the Wyze Cam Pan and Tilt. And 2 of these would be great if you have, let's say, a 2-story home. So there's the camera. The previous camera had legs. This one has a platform. So it's a small white box. There is the USB type A port, and then down here is the charging port micro USB. And then on the bottom has setup button, and this is where the micro SD card goes right here. And then this is the microphone. So when this is set up correctly, it sets up like that, and it can pan and tilt. And you can see it has a nice bubble lens for recording all around. It also has night vision as well. This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter. Thank you very much.